My name's Niki, and we are currently in London at Heathrow, and we are here for a property event.
And who's the event run by? What are we learning?
The event is run by Samuel Leeds, and we are learning all sorts, every source of income to do with property.
Fantastic. What's it like seeing Samuel on stage? What's his energy like?
His energy, one word sum it up, immaculate. He's got no filter, straight to the point, very energised, very direct, and keeps us going, keeps us entertained.
So what's your experience with property so far?
So we currently have 4 different properties, but we're looking to expand and enhance our portfolio.
Have you, so you've been getting texts, have you found any
Any what, sorry?
leads, any potential?
We have, because we've been networking with lots of different people, we've enjoyed talking to people. We're sort of finding other people's weaknesses, our benefits, and where we can sort of compromise and balance things out and sort of gain what we can from other people.
Have you actually found any potential deals that you could go after?
We have indeed, yes. We've been doing research within our breaks and stuff, so yeah, we're hoping to expand on that shortly. We have actually, yeah. We've also seen people within their breaks, even toilet breaks. I've seen people within the toilets doing sort of deals, making calls. There's God knows how many people stood outside making calls during their breaks. So yeah, everybody's on it.
How's it make you feel seeing that happen?
It feels a bit surreal because you hear the potential that everybody's got and stuff like that, but when you see people actually out there making the calls, doing the practical side of it, yeah, it's a bit surreal, but...
Fantastic. And to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, would you recommend Samuel Leeds?
Definitely, most definitely, yeah.
Why's that?
Because I feel like he stands out a lot compared to other property companies, events that we've seen previously. We've not been to any others. This is the first one that we've actually done, but it's just enticing. There's a lot to it, a lot of benefits, so...